In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now, to add any photo, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner, and either scroll down to select any photo and hit done, or click on it over here right away. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on send button. But you can also take a photo by clicking on your shutter here and switching camera. Then send it the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!